What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy. Alright, I've been building a little bit lately, but I've also got something else I've been trying to spend a little time working on, so let me show you. In a previous video, I showed you that I had the original sea serpent. We got the new gift with purchase one. We got them both built. I'm happy with that. I got one more of these new ones. That way I can make a little raid scene and have another boat on this side and maybe attack one of those castles. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I know a lot of the fans, everybody loves the tractors. So we have this one built. If you want to build this one, I've got free PDF instructions on reBrickable.com. There's a link below that takes you to reBrickable, and you might be able to just search my mocks. But yeah, free instructions, and it's got the parts list. These are the two new ones. Went over those in another video, but in case you missed it, that rounded front, I really like the way that turned out. And then that one, different fenders, some similarities to them for sure, but two different tractors, two different eras. Now they'll end up on the farm eventually. We've got all the sunflowers here, which, yeah, you got to kind of walk over here to be able to see those sunflowers. So many of them, and all different shapes and angles. Really like how that turned out. There's over 800 sunflowers there, just in case you're wondering. I'm sure you weren't, but now you know. But anyway, that sound that you hear probably in the background, that's the new thing for the Lego room, which is also now a 3D printer room. Didn't really plan on that, but there it is. Filament in stock and everything. What are we making? Well, I think you can guess. Yeah, we're making a huge dragon. I think this thing's going to take like 11 hours to make. So yeah, it's going to print overnight and should be done by morning. Now, why am I showing you this? Because it's not Lego. Well, it's funny you should say that, because when you get on the Bamboo, which is the name of the printer, got an H2C. It's pretty much the flagship printer that's out there for this company, at least. There are plenty of Lego things that you can make. Now, no, I'm not going to make bricks. That is, to me, that's just dumb. I'm not going to match colors. I'm not going to be able to match the exact size down to like hundredths of a millimeter. So no, I'm not making bricks. What I am going to make are some, maybe a couple minifigs or upscale minifigs. Now when I say minifig, I don't really mean minifigs, but Ghost, like this print here, or this is actual Lego, glows in the dark, and I could buy glow-in-the-dark filament, which I probably will in the future. But I could make a few ghosts. There's a couple, somebody's made this design similar to this, and I think I'm going to try that from a minifig standpoint. But when I say upscale minifig, I mean these buildable ones. The ones that are, I don't know, 10 inches tall. And yeah, there's a pirate. There's the skeleton. There's the space guy. There's a few different castle guys. I think there is just the generic Lego guy. And maybe some of the pieces are interchangeable. I don't know. I'm still learning at this. Very early on into this process. But there are some Lego ideas. There's stands. So if you have, maybe you want to make a display case. I mean, that's an option. It would be open. It wouldn't have the glass in front of it. But there's like a stand where it's a step, almost like stadium seating. That's an option. So there's plenty of things that I can use that printer for to incorporate some Lego stuff into. And if you have any ideas, please let me know, because I've either lost you, or I've got your attention, or you're just listening to me in the background, which, hey, any one of the three is good, because any one of the three helps the channel as long as you're watching. So anyway, that's what's been going on lately. Trying to do some 3D printing. Learn that so I can maybe make my Lego city a little bit better. I could make billboards. Lots of ideas. I've seen the upscale flowers. I was looking for some flowers. Yeah. Some like these flowers where they make them and they're 6 or 8 inches tall. Look pretty cool. Just a neat little display. So there's plenty of stuff I'm going to look at building or look at printing and then continue the Lego building process. But if you hear that thing in the background, I don't know if you guys can or not, that's what's going on. So that's the update. New 3D printer, huge model. Whew, the thing was a beast and it cost a lot. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video. Well, if you're still watching, here's a few screenshots that I've taken off the Bamboo Handy app or the website, just to show you some other ideas that I may end up printing and displaying somewhere. I don't really know where because I have no space. I have no display space. Anyway, we're still going to do it. So here's a few ideas. Scrolling just as the screen goes. So yeah, big figs, mini figs, the ghost, and then any other things that I can think of. Shelves, display things, anything that's going to make the Lego room a little bit better and maybe hold some more Lego. So there you go. Enjoy.